Check out this 2005 Ford Super Duty F-250. Carfax has certified this Super Duty F-250 as having one owner. This Super Duty F-250 has just under 90,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This Super Duty F-250 boasts a 6.0-liter turbo engine and has an automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, AM/FM stereo, cruise control and driver airbag. Call 800-753-6343 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.